Today we're talking about a superfood that's probably sitting in your kitchen, but often overlooked: beetroot. This bright red vegetable is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Stick around because I'm going to share 5 powerful benefits of beetroot and how you can easily add it to your daily routine. So let's dive right in. Number 1, it boosts energy naturally. Do you feel sluggish and drained? Beetroot can help. This humble root vegetable is loaded with nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles and organs. This means increased stamina and less fatigue. It's like having a natural energy boost without the caffeine. Many athletes drink beetroot juice before their events to boost endurance and performance. Give it a try. Start your day with a beetroot smoothie or juice and feel the difference. Number 2, supports heart health. Is heart health a concern for you or your family? Beetroot may offer some protection. It's rich in nitrates, which, as we mentioned earlier, improve blood flow. But they also help relax and widen blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent problem for many people, often without noticeable symptoms, which makes it dangerous. But studies show that as little as 1 cup of beetroot juice can reduce blood pressure within hours. That's a powerful effect, and it's one of the simplest, most natural ways to support a healthy heart. Number 3, sharpens brain function. Looking for a natural way to improve focus and mental clarity? Look no further than beetroot. When beetroot increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, it can enhance cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Some research even suggests that regular consumption of beetroot juice may slow down cognitive decline associated with aging. Whether you're a student hitting the books or an executive preparing for a big presentation, beetroot can help you stay sharp and focused. Number 4, detoxifies the body. Want to support your body's natural detoxification process? Beetroot can help. It's rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals in your body. Additionally, beetroot contains a nutrient called betaine, which supports liver function. A healthy liver means better detoxification and digestion. No wonder beetroot juice is often included in detox cleanses. It helps flush out toxins and keep your body running smoothly. Number 5, glowing skin from within. Does your skin reflect your inner health? Well, beetroot can make it glow. This vibrant root vegetable is packed with vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants that fight acne, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy blood flow to the skin. Instead of relying on expensive skincare products, consider this natural approach. Drink beetroot juice regularly and watch your skin improve from the inside out. So there you have it, 5 powerful health benefits of beetroot. It's nature's way of supporting your overall well-being. Whether you juice it, roast it, or add it to your salads, beetroot is a must-include in your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And if you have any questions or would like to share your own beetroot experiences, leave a comment below.